Have you ever wondered how some people manage to save money with almost impressive efficiency? The answer might lie in an ancient and incredibly effective method straight from Japan. Kakebo, which translates to household accounting book, is a practical and strategic approach to managing and optimizing your spending. By meticulously recording every penny you earn and spend, you create a clear map of your financial flow. But it doesn't stop there. The true secret of Kakebo lies in reflection. With each recorded expense, you ask yourself, is this really necessary? This constant practice of review and analysis helps you identify where you're wasting money and adjust your habits to save more. In this video, I will cover the 10 essential points for saving money like the Japanese. And the best part? I'll show you how you can apply these simple and powerful techniques starting today. Essential techniques that the Japanese use to keep their finances under control and achieve their financial goals successfully. I'll show you how to use the Kakebo method and how it can transform your financial life. Make sure that you are already part of our community. Subscribe now and stay updated with the latest strategies to master your finances. Make mindful purchases. Imagine you're eyeing a new smartphone or a pair of sneakers that just hit the market. They look irresistible, but before you open your wallet, ask yourself, do I really need this right now? For instance, suppose you're saving up for a vacation or a down payment on a new car. Spending your money on that smartphone or sneakers could delay your bigger plans. So, before making a purchase, reflect on whether the expense is essential or if it's better to save that money for something more important and meaningful in the future. Use the Kakebo method. The Kakebo method is simple. Record all your expenses in a financial journal. This means noting every purchase, no matter how small. By doing this, you gain a clear view of how you're using your money. This practice helps identify patterns in your spending habits. For example, you might notice that you're spending more than you should on non-essential items. With this information, it becomes easier to adjust your spending and avoid waste, ensuring you're on track to meet your financial goals. Pay yourself first. Before you think about paying any bills or making a purchase, the first thing you should do is set aside a portion of your money for savings. Think of it as a payment to your future self. For example, as soon as you receive your paycheck, allocate a percentage to a savings or investment account. This habit ensures that you're always investing in yourself before spending on other things. It's a way to financially protect yourself and ensure that, over time, you'll have resources to achieve your dreams and handle unexpected expenses. What's your take on this? Do you pay yourself first? Comment below, and let's discuss how these strategies can fit into your financial journey. Set specific savings goals. Instead of just saving money without a clear purpose, it's important to set specific goals for your savings. Think about creating buckets for different objectives. For instance, you might have a bucket for that dream vacation you've always wanted, another for an emergency fund, and a third for a new car. By dividing your savings this way, it's easier to track your progress and stay motivated. Each time you deposit money, you know exactly which goal it's contributing to, making the savings process more rewarding and focused. Invest in safe and high-yield investments. When it comes to growing your money, it's important to choose investments that are both safe and profitable. Instead of leaving your money in a checking account, where it earns virtually nothing, consider investing in more advantageous options. For example, platforms like online banks and investment apps offer options like certificates of deposit, CDs, with competitive interest rates. This means your money will be protected while earning more than it would in a traditional savings account. Investing in this way is a smart way to ensure your money works for you, growing your savings safely and efficiently. Keep track of your spending. To maintain a balanced financial life, it's essential to know exactly where your money is going. This means recording all your income and expenses. It might seem a bit tedious at first, but this practice provides a clear view of your budget. For example, by tracking every expense, From major ones like rent to smaller ones like a coffee, you can see where you're spending more than you should. With this information, it's much easier to make adjustments to your budget, ensuring that you don't spend more than you earn and that you can direct your money towards what truly matters. Adjust your spending as needed. As you track your expenses, you might notice that you're spending more in certain areas than you should. The next step is to adjust your spending to improve your financial balance. For example, if you see that you're spending too much on dining out, you might decide to cook more at home and allocate the money you save towards your savings goals. Small but conscious adjustments help optimize your budget and ensure you're always on track to achieve your financial goals. Be patient and consistent. Saving money and building a solid financial foundation doesn't happen overnight. It's a process that requires patience and consistency. For example, if you commit to saving a fixed amount each month, it may take time to see significant results. However, by maintaining this habit regularly, you'll start to notice that your money is growing and your savings are becoming more substantial. The key is to be persistent and not get discouraged by initial challenges. Over time, your financial discipline will pay off. I noticed that you didn't give it a like yet. Give it a like and help us spread the word about smarter financial living and assist more people. Prioritize your financial well-being. Your financial well-being should be a priority in your life. Investing in a secure future and protecting your money are essential steps to achieving your goals and ensuring your peace of mind. For example, by creating an emergency fund and investing wisely, you prepare yourself for unexpected events and position yourself better to achieve your dreams. By keeping your money protected and directed towards your goals, you're investing in your future and ensuring that your financial life aligns with your long-term objectives. Start today. Don't wait until everything is perfect to begin saving. The best time to start saving is now. For example, if you delay the decision to start saving, you might miss out on the benefits of time and consistency. Starting today means you're taking the first step towards improving your financial situation and reaching your goals. Even if it's a small amount, every contribution counts, and over time, the results will show. Don't wait any longer. Start saving now and see the difference in the future. So, are you ready to transform your financial life with these 10 essential tips? Now that you know the strategies for saving money like the Japanese, it's time to put them into action. Start by making mindful purchases and reflect on whether each expense is truly necessary. Use the Kakebo method to get a clear view of where your money is going and to identify areas where you can save. Remember to pay yourself first by setting aside a portion of your paycheck for savings. Set specific savings goals, investing in objectives that truly matter to you. Choose safe and profitable investments, such as those offered by reputable platforms, and keep track of your spending with detailed records. Adjust your expenses as needed and be patient and consistent to see long-term results. Prioritize your financial well-being by preparing for the future and protecting your finances. And most importantly, start today. Don't wait for everything to be perfect before taking the first step. Every small action counts, and over time, you'll see a significant difference in your financial life. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more amazing tips. See you next time.